Today we're working on a 2008, 2009 Outback Legacy. This little cover right here with the pick, it's got little spots right here. Use a flathead and there's two screws up here. Right here has two clips for your dome light. Use a pick if you want to pry on it down. One over here. One more over here. And your dome light comes out. So if you have a problem with your dome light, this is one way of replacing it. And unplug here. There's your dome light. Making sure that we get all the plugs in correct. And then these things slide in first this way. And then pop in. You can double check your lights and stuff, but all the bolts look the same except these two bolts have a different head style on them. Those are the ones for the top of here. That was the little cover for this that fell. No big deal. And these things slide into these. Voila.